It's been a while since I did a straight Matchbox restoration, and also a while since I did a heavy truck. And this number 30C 8-wheeled tipper does both. It's also green. Imagine that. The company started as a foundry in 1845 and merged with a vehicle factory in 1918. Fahrzeugfabrik Ansbach und Nürnberg, which translates to Vehicle Factories of Ansbach and Nuremberg. It was shortened to the acronym FAWN. And while I couldn't find this particular vehicle in my research, it certainly fits the style of the FAWN cranes of the day and even today. Lesney started producing the casting in 1965 and dropped it from the line in 1970 after 1 year as a superfast. The 1 to 75 castings were always green and orange boom with a yellow or red tow hook. The exception was a gift set, which had the crane painted sea green. When they converted it to superfast, it was a gold crane with a red body. The casting had a half chassis that was held in by a single spun post and the grille and headlights acting like a tab. The crane and the boom also had a single spun post. This casting, it had a bend in the boom and the back bumper was also bent, so even before I stripped it, I set about to straighten the parts as best I could. Then it was into the salsa with a shake for luck. After being in the stripper for a day, everything gets a good cleaning in some lacquer thinner. When you straighten die cast, there's always a danger that it's going to break. And when I was straightening the boom, I could feel it almost give way. So I decided to reinforce the inside of the boom with JV weld. I had also straightened the bumper, and I wanted to clean that repair up a little bit with a file. Since it's painted green week, this was the perfect casting for me to restore. I made the green by starting with Tamiya white and then added Tamiya X5 green until I got the shade that I wanted. The boom was done in pretty much the same way, starting with white and adding Tamiya X7 red and X8 yellow. It was all top coated with Tamiya X35 semi-gloss clear. I sourced a couple of wheels and an axle from my Matchbox junkyard, and I had to do a little touch up on the boom, but all in, I'm happy with that. I hope you enjoyed the project. This is Time Rider, and I'll leave the light on for you.